In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud Drive folder sharing. This is a handy feature that allows you to seamlessly collaborate and share files with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether you're working on a group project, organizing a family event, or simply sharing documents with someone, iCloud Drive makes it efficient and straightforward. So let's dive right in and see how you can easily get started with folder sharing on iCloud Drive. First, you'll need to navigate to your Files app. On your device, open the Files app, and if you're not already there, go to the Browse tab. Here you will find different locations where your files are stored. Tap on iCloud Drive to access your cloud storage, where all your iCloud files and folders are kept neat and tidy. Take a moment to browse through your folders and find the one you want to share. Once you've located the perfect folder, press and hold the folder icon. This action will open a menu of options that allow you to interact with the folder in various ways. Don't worry if this is new to you, it's user-friendly and becomes intuitive with a bit of practice. From the menu that pops up, tap on Share. This initiates the process of sharing your folder. Now you have the freedom to choose how you'd like to share this folder with others. You could select mail if you prefer sending it through email, or opt for messages if you want to share it quickly with someone in your contacts list. There's also the option to share through other apps you might have installed, offering flexibility based on your preferences and the recipient's convenience. Before you send out that invite, you might want to fine-tune the access settings for the folder. Simply tap on Share Options, and from here you can decide who gets to see the folder and what they can do with it. You can specify whether invitees can only view the contents, or if they can also make edits. This level of control ensures that your files stay secure and shared according to your needs. Once you've set the permissions to your liking, the next step is to choose the contact you'd like to share the folder with. Find and select the person in your contact list and send out the invite. And just like that, you've shared a folder via iCloud Drive. The recipient will receive a notification or message depending on the sharing method you selected, and they can then access the contents of the folder according to the permissions you've set. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you've mastered the basics of iCloud Drive folder sharing, empowering you to collaborate with ease and efficiency. Remember, this feature not only helps streamline your workflow with others, but also ensures your data sharing is secure and controlled. Thank you for tuning in, and happy sharing.